Hello, so we're back. And this time we have a very complicated repair, yeah? So this is a nice laptop, okay? Definitely it's a nice laptop. It's a Asus, I can't see stickers, but I'm assuming it's a gaming one. Anyway, we have two screens and we have a ribbon cable. Let's check the customer email. Customer, it's a computer business. The customer is saying that the laptop was taken to another computer shop before us. They try a screen and said it must be the screen cable. Customer bought screen cable himself and brought it to us. I also try another screen supplied, but no picture. Try screen cable, no picture. Laptop boots fine, HDMI works, and that's the only reason why I take this job. Because otherwise, if the laptop has no picture on HDMI, that means, it's not much what you can do there. A lot of things can go wrong when you replace the screen, and believe it or not, most of the computer shop, they take the things, they replace the screen, they don't take out the battery. So we have two screens. This is a brand new screen. I'm assuming this is the original one. So we're gonna try to see what is wrong with this job. I mean, not sure because, two computer shop, they didn't fix it. You think I can fix it? What can I say? We have to check. Wait, 1 second. I found the laptop model number. Asus ROG Zephyrus G1. Yeah, I didn't know that's the model. So, I will say, let's test the laptop first on HDMI, just to be sure it's working. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. I'm assuming the battery is out, and we have the Asus charging port, and I don't have it. I believe I don't have it. No. Okay, let's open the laptop and let's try to connect the battery. Most likely the battery is disconnected. And the laptop is open. The battery is disconnected. Nice heat pipes. Check there, we have a seal on the CPU. That means no one took the board out. The screen cable is out. Let's have a look. I'm interested on the 3.3 switcher. It's a chip there which is switching on and off the 3.3. And usually that thing is blow up. Yeah, so I'm assuming it's this one or not. I don't know. We have a fuse there. I'm assuming the fuse is good. But let's check. Let's not assume. The fuse is gone. I can't believe. I mean, how? 1 second. Do you think it's only the fuse? Because even if the fuse is burned, you should have picture, but no backlight. You can see like picture, but super low contrast. So let's plug the cable. The cable is plugged in. Let's rebuild the fuse. Yeah. So why the fuse blow up? And you'll think because they didn't disconnect the battery. Well, the truth is somewhere in the middle. So some computer shops, they don't disconnect the battery. But most of the computer shops, if not all, they have a stock of LCD screens. So what they are doing, they are just swapping the LCD screens, even if it is not the same model. Yeah, they are just trying different LCD screens, and obviously they will end up with that motherboard, or in this case, this is a lucky case, backlight fuse. So we have to rebuild this fuse, little bit of solder, more solder, perfect. And now just a tiny, proper calibrated wire, right? Good. And here. Perfect. Check that. Huh? That's a proper fuse. Good. So now I'm gonna plug the screen, then I will plug the battery. So this is the original screen. The problem is we don't know why initially the laptop died. That's what we don't know. What happened? Wait, I can't plug that thingy. So why I cannot plug this connector? Huh? Okay, now it's good. Good, so the cable is plugged. We have this cable, but this is from the webcam. This one. It's fine, I don't need that. Let me plug the battery. Battery is plugged. My fuse is still good. Pressing the power button, and the laptop is coming on. I can see the backlight on the keyboard. But the screen is still dead. Because the BIOS was reset. Let's wait. Yeah, we don't have a BIOS battery here. Yeah, we don't have RAM memory. Or it's onboard RAM. Can be onboard RAM, yeah. Can be. Fans are spinning fast. Laptop went off. And it's coming back on. Which is good, yeah. It's not brain dead. But still nothing, no picture. We should check the voltage on our fuse. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. So our fuse voltage is. We have picture. That's crazy. Ha! I can't believe. So actually, the only problem was the fuse. So basically, initially, the laptop died because the backlight fuse got burned. Yeah, it's not that much backlight, but we can increase. How? Here, right? Yeah, check that, and the backlight is coming to life. Yeah. We have a name. I have to edit the video now. So what do you think about that? Because I'm pretty sure, the people think it's a fuse. Anyone can find a fuse. No, we are speaking about two different computer shops. They got wrong this. So the first computer shop probably they didn't even check. Let's see, we have backlight voltage on the screen connector? No. The second computer shop, which I took the job from, they thought, okay, so must be a cable because they said it's a cable. I'm gonna replace the cable. Then he replaced the screen and still not working. Now on the past, yeah, I seen a lot of not a lot, but few hate comments against computer shops. Not sure how it's on a different countries, but here, like 99% of the computer shops, they are not doing repairs. They are doing, battery replacement, screen replacement, keyboards, but not actually board repairs. And that's fine. Yeah, it's nothing wrong with that. Board repairs is just, a little extra on top of what a computer shop is doing. And you'll think, yeah, that's because they are greedy. They don't want to hire someone to fix motherboards. The owner of the shop I worked before, he was looking for someone to repair motherboards for over 10 years, and he could not find one. On some point, you remember I made a video on this channel, and I said, look, the owner is hired someone fixing the motherboards. He couldn't find anyone. Obviously, has to be from England, has to live in this area. But no, he couldn't find anyone. So if you check YouTube videos, you'll leave with the impression everyone is fixing motherboards and actually are not that many, sadly. That's why I always said, if you fix or whatever it doesn't matter. The small things, it don't matter. Just do a video, upload it to YouTube so everyone knows how to check or how to fix specific faults. I'm happy I helped this customer. I mean, I can't. I was expecting a lot more worse. You have a multiplexer. Not sure how it's called, but anyway, a switcher between HDMI and LVDC, and I was thinking maybe that one is faulty. But no, it was just a fuse. Because it's Sunday, we just finished the live stream, and I said I will do a job. Yeah, maybe because it's Sunday. Yeah. Anyway, this was a perfect Sunday job. I will stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members-only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.